One more Mawakonya, Wallenty be any home. Wako Tadi and the Chan Grass near Boy Henny. Prestige electronics the Indian Tessa, Otomo Afibacon. TV sets, Ubenya be gas cookers, home theater, fridges, deep freezers, and Kitwania can see it, Brianna, try a moon. Display fridges for drinks. Soundbar, my okay, Munya de Maudem when yet de Abrante quite about them, or be entered Jom sound. A swallowing what ye? What sounded to say?
Professor Joshua Alabi, former chancellor. Professor Joshua Alabi, former chancellor. Professor Joshua Alabi, former chancellor.
So munku no a obo ho dawro no osra bi.
Oh yeah.
Nti wose nipa dodo no aba wo mo hwe ni nipadua na wo mo hwe body no na wo mo enku no a wo ka no wo mo gitum se
King City Laboratory.
Yo se first dua na ye call radio mu senka ye bo dawro bi fa aduro ana say bi anom ne bi ho a ye de bi be station ho e ma obi a opese bi a onum bi ana osra bi no osra bi na ya hweso wo seka woni padua na ya hweso say ampa osra nko no bi ye be hwe no body no a ana so obi be hwe no body no a no obi na be ka cho so
it is skin city ye no mo me yinku fansla
da bi we masem
me ma so de o te say mo kala no obi a woni de nti dia na wo kam ye sure say the skin city adwumayefo
on mo me yinku fansla
nti obi chia no say ana mo kala ka cho so free skin city wo mo nku no o mo ye den o mo ton no say maami adusa say e bia na kanure o di bia ye den aba be si ha na ye ne a bia ye pese ye bebubo bi ni titru sisi yare de no
sisi yare de no wo be ma
o ka sisi yare so wasi atena
na ya ka ne no sa na
no wo be ma
e bia na sa wo te ho na o ka ho asem a wo ni maduro no sese
ni se na me ka skin city asem a me dia ko duro ka
ya no example for
that ka ne no na wo ho even se nipa mienu ana me nsakra ye wo mutimi konum bi no mo try ti at the end of the day no titru mo ye LPMs ni ade no wano maduro no bi ntu on maduro no sane esi ye den etie nti o ka ho asem a wo de gidie ni confidence di a kire say menu maduro no bi say na ye me nti do o ka bia na onim de
na wo ka wo so ho ye fe
maami adusa ye hia matwo
wa maami adusa ye hia matwo so si ye wo nsa no
kala fi
na be ma de so ho
ha mo de ye den
enu ane hia
yiri baba brebe wo se abekari fi ade Rashid wani na
emu anya sakra na emu ye den a
na wo fa odi ene ye se echen warm up
mo ba nwan
ya
mo ba nwan atene wo so se de te kwa
na mi che ogina ba wa ye din se ye kire ye keka nya asab ketu
ma ma utie a ya mo fa duro bi mra na ya ye bo bi na ye ntra he ya ka ho asem yie
bibia be fa
yo ye beda mase etiefo adofo ye munti ene ye te ha nyame hira mo say stations ne do so nanso wafidie ne da agenkwa 101.9 kasafidie so ye betena se ya na ye da obokrata mu mpensem mu ne na aposo a ye pese wo a wuti a wutie wuhunu na wokọ baabi ne ye kan wanya bia kan na wokọtọ krata ne bia wokọ anu wu krata potia wobeto enu nti ne atena se age brese yesi nkonwa de bro ye wi adua na beje ne mboaten beto so na woni abedwafo nso atena se abobo nsema pensem mu asomfo ye de obokrata mu pensem mu bro benimbo so de to so aduenu mienu eye me the finance minister Afia Achia Brodia aka Midibewo Miniminu Abema Bretoba Chumesi Mandela Arafo ye fra se o daily graphic the obokrata animu na ahwe krata nanim hanomu a hu se mpanimfo ani ntini etwetwo ro ekuku dam wo mu egu hanom Mira Reverend Daniel eye ogba mitete oha Director General Mass Security and Exchange Commission and now omudi meeting shemudi ebiatintim so Professor Ebo Taxing ono so ewa hanom and eye penibi te say wo radan sedo ono so ewa ha na ni nyina wa ha ni nyina kowie se eye Security and Exchange Commission abo amane de atodwa kire trimupo ene adwenso ya wono so ya womode sa dwumadie bi ba omo se sa dwumadie no se ba foto sunku bi abo eye investors ho ban se de be ye didwa ye sika hye ye sika hwease ye sika ntumi nyina na so ye sika riaria no emma investors woni ye be bie nnwuma na wode wo sika be se nnwuma mu e wo man afa na enkoye se daachi bi no wo mu benu wo mu ana so ma bambabu enu nti sa foto no ho adwenkyere ene ho adwenso esoye na wo de atintim so a wote se mebobɔ mpanifo awodo bi di wo mkrata ne de ho nsɛmpa ba wokɔ krata fa to so miensa eniani mu no kyerɛkyerɛ mu wia na ɛhɔ wo de nkyerɛmu fikɔfikɔ no ama wo na mokai eye mampani na adoda nkɔ akufo ado nsɛm bi ɔde atodwa ne nyina ne sɛ wɔsɔe enipa miensa bi ede o makoka abato komisa dwumadie ho na dwumadie no ode o mukɔ wura mu ni mu no ana nam so ema mampani na adoda nkɔ akufo ado gonja de se kronkron adodroba we adupreman ado awodware wiem ha de ne posu komo bi kwa ogina no wasɔe wo mo no mususu sɛ komisa no enipa ebo wo mu din dodo an wo se he edin ebebo mo no mamfa hu bia nya mwadwuma mamu mahu bia emehye mumu ginasi a mu besi no eno na mo nhwe na mo mfa nkɔ adwendwe mu nkɔyɛ ho adwuma o Ghana for the said obebia no ayenka wan se ebeka munya wo ma life mo na mo nkɔyɛ adwuma yase mo se munya no ntinne mijina ha meswai mo ɛho nsɛm akɔkrata fa to so du nsia enkyerɛkyerɛmu na nkasa ɛwɔ hɔ mokai Western Togoland a wo mo ba no dini papa na nsɛn wo afiri mu yayayai wo mo nsɛm bi ba ye ɛma wo mo yɛ so mo bɛte wo mo na yɛ twenentwe tibibia saa ma on mo kokoda court ahye nipa num se won kom mfie num obi ekotwa 5 years imprisonment ye kabo ma 25 years edipa 5 ana eko court ginasie wasie wiye na pokuya se ana nsasesem bi ehwo nkyira ka kire abobo aba Ningina yes estate developer bi akwato asase yantam beye 600 acres of land ewo abusuyakuo bi ho na nsasesem no nam so amamentem wase abama nsam ne court wa bra Accra High Court tena asem na kowie se eku a womo ana kwato asase yanta be 600 acre of land no ye fra wo mu ACP estate wo mu bridge contract no emu nhyehyeye to so mu contract ni nsusu ye kwa so won krata mu na adwe anko benkurom aso o mafaka ne sitie kwa so atintima busua ne nsa de agu wo machi eti court wa hyese ACP estate pokuya sensase no won fa emu 200 acres ama busua ye franu ni dodo klote abusua ni dodo klote abusua na wonfa sase ne momo emra kasa asembie ni baabia no bia so eni sheka ehun nsam krata idiaba ama gudie mu nsem bi eka ho ensam awudo bi ama no nsem nyina aka ho National Health Insurance Authority make us say wanya muafri US $5 million say womo fam one National Health Insurance Authority dwumadie no na entimi nyina gina national we ne yebisa say ko ba ne say ya sika na be fa he be ko he ye de boa ne san ama ye ne yekuta bi ye de ko hospital ye nso so mfa so ben ene ebenya wom eno so ya asensebe enti ko pekrata ne bi na gibre na kenkan na akontabuo pi ewo mu a wonya bi kenkan be hu de ekoso wo oman ni mu
Infa Daily Guide enso entoaso na Daily Guide animu ha no Ghana mampani na adodanko akufuado ena samri de afia akenkan na no peso ntimi nkom dodo bia nipa makom yensa wabo mu diam kobbo kan abato komisa ho no wode wo mutumi ehye wo mo nsam na akansem bibre enso afo mo ho ti safia ko mu no de menkom bibre saa ne nipa no mu a papa viru na samne de ni din dan krofo esuo na nso papa viru mprempre aye kasai wonte ase enso bi onti se oluma eti ase a ka oluma enso wo kom mfie num ti wo mo so mfie num ena nipa ba ko bia bi wo so adwumaden ka ho a wo ye enso ede aka ho na ko wakrata guide nanim ho a ene no amane a ebaaye na eboye ewo NPP amanyuko mu ni titru wo mo adehia motafo pankrono se akane mrase bedwane anu ogina mu ema won Anthony eye akoto osei oduma nkuma wuo ababefa no wotwa papa no mfoni ni ede abeto ho na de wo mu kanyina nse bema beye bi na wa ma amaye ni nyina saa na nipa so beji din na wa mepenyi nkyere ye wura sene obeye ni nwuma faaye bia no oduma nkuma wuo ede na pakan abefa no ko wakrata nanim ha no anache se samre de Ghana mampano so enko a o ade a won so wakopaw enipa bia won so ena samre de NCCG wo bedi animu se wo mo deputy chairman na NCC no kra no ya na nipa bi busa se de be pa ene wo mo ye e wo Ghana memu enso samre de na nado wo so e wo mo a chance emre no ba be so saa na wo mu bobo mo ho ne ma ahodo bebre enso emu ye nyina nim se ECOWAS wo ho no wo mu ye nhyehyeye ye se daache bia ye bedi sika baako senia ye ko Europe aman bi wo ho a enei wo mu di sika baako no na wo se committee a samre de wo hwe saa nhyehyeye no so no enu bebrebe no wo mu enso edi ahyiamu ti se wo pesika kro no a ye bedie no ho ensem watie di a na wakɔtɔ ɛyɛ kowa krata bi osi Guinea Bissau ɛna ɔmo kɔɔyɛ ekohyia yɛ nim sɛ Ghana for ɛnso ka ho ti page ɛyɛ 9 ɛna ubehunu saa ECOWAS Single Currency Ministerial Committee wɔn edi ahyia mu ɛnso ɛwɔ ho na wokɔ ɛyɛ page 13 a ɛhɔ ɛna saa mmiri deɛ judge bi sɛ yɛn nyinaa bɛka ya borga ɛna wɔn kɔsi wɔ hene bi wɔ hɔ ɛna judge ɛnso asɛm no betwa n'anim na ogyina so sɛ saa ɔhene no koraa no a wɔn a yɛsi ɔhene no yɛn nkɔnkɔkye no na adehyɛ a wɔn ɛwɔ borga sɛ wɔn ɛwɔ fiew ɛyɛ dan a yɛn yɛ hene wo sɛ yɛmɛkye no ti judge saa mmiri deɛ wɔse wɔdwane afiri kurom hɔ san sɛ mɛbunu no si wɔn nya no a wɔn bɛtete ne nam wɔn ahade a wɔpene ho ti judge no wɔdwane afiri ɛyɛ borga kurom hɔ no nti so wɔhunu judge no so ne nam baabi a na wakɔbɔ mɛbunu na mania na sɛ wapɛ baabi ama no abɔ no ho ban san sɛ ɛyɛ ade a mɛbunu a wɔn ɛwɔ borga wɔn adi nkyene bɔtɔma na nea wɔn ka nyinaa ne sɛ wɔn nya papa yi a wɔn ɛmfa nkyɛn no na NDC amanyɔkuo wɔn tu frankaa no baako ɛyɛ ɔmampanin dadaa John Dramani ababɔnten de aba bɛtu dwa wɔse wɔka akyerɛ polling station agents nyinaa sɛ da ɛbɛto aba no ataya ɛna wɔso wɔn nom afiase wɔn ataya
ɛnyɛ deɛ nkrɔfoɔ no mpɛ yiriba no
ɛn deɛ wɔn a wɔn na menim sɛ yirima no so ka ho ɛna yɛde sɛ ka kyerɛ yɛbusa Rashid na otumi mu san sɛ wɔse sɛ wonim sɛ aba bɛka sɛ aba yɛto a yɛwini ɛwɔ polling station ti sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ no bi ɔmo nkɔnom drink biara ne bi ɔmo nkɔdane ade no
ɔmo nom ataya
ne da no ɔmo fɛ nsiri pɛ na ɔmo ani nyɛ dɛn ɛna hɔ ɔmo ani nka ngu so kɔpem sɛ yɛbɛto aba na awie ne akenkan ataya watch night nti wei na nanase woka na yɛ ne dɛ asoala pa ɔso woka na yɛ ne dɛ na yɛ ne dɛ papa
asoala pa na yɛ nkrɔfoɔ
no ɛtia na nɔpɛ yi
ɔso prophet bi ɔso ka asoala pa na mawu da me sɛ la pa thank you
nti nana odi the NDC amanyɔkuo mu ka no wɔm se duru baabi a wɔm se abato etwa mu no mo de 6 wɔm de 6 ɛda ne wɔm na sɛ na mo ka ho
so bi so okoto wa che obi so wo mani ti wo ma mani biscuit ɛni ataya ne
dama wɔm se dane de ataya betumi ashot Ghana mem wakose bia no san sɛ wo so mo gyina wo mo ani pa te sɛ
ba wia man krofo di bura koku wo mo yire no mo fie
tankasa wo hwɛ ne kura nsuo mu ɛwɔ abatoɔ no ti ko wakrata no akotwa ho nsɛm enso ɛde aba
yo break oba mede the Daily Statesman the obokrata no ɛna ɛto aso na wo hwe krata nanim ha no ma ye nyina ye kai Western Togoland said ye de nkia bobɔ so no etimi nkom na krata nanim enipa num na ato santene wa logologo lai omu kɔ afiase mfie num muka bom aduodu num ɛwon sam krata ne de aba ye de nkia ka mampani na adodan kɔ akufuado enipa miensa wo swai wo mo ama akɔka abato komisa dwumadie wo mu kodie ɛho apɔtwe ne na mmɔntene so wo swai awie ɛno so ho nsam ha ye nkom pii ɛna mede nkia ka US minus $5 million wobode beboa National Health Insurance Authority se emwama pomdin si atiba ne nue peyo ena na mbisa se ka na ekwo hwan kofasim na ekwo hwan aboto hwan na edi anim de aye adwuma ama ya afo ekwaje ya hwe enya so mfaso eno so ho nsam krata ne de aba mi nkomu pie de nkia kenkan dada na de yenka ho asam ya piase foto a atorencha mo eto wo mo afie twa amunimu si ye boye Emma me Mama Joyce ayemo ena da no hwese foto ni sika bebem ne atumi asade akyekyere kuro no foforo ama omanfo ahwe won mo agapade won mo a won mo hwe won ma won abusuafo no won benya baabi foforo asade won mu ti ato na eno no mo ba amane akire se won mo fra ase agege ntoboa nkra nnwumakuo nsorifakuo ekuhudo ewiase ene ewiase ntro no ntrase nyina no says omubu akonta na che Ghana for womanya 62 million Ghana cedis 62 million Ghana cedis and a wofutuo num no pay womonam Daily Statesman the obokrata no so abo amane ese mfanto Ghana for nyina anim o say ye na ukwa krata animu a o memu de ni fragudie mu nsem wo ho say nyina ya ka Richard Kingston Ghana goalkeeper wada goal da no yenim se wono na Ghana nyankopon ya aduma ball boy da yenim tena no wo ba beda nanso amane bone ne nam frama mu se eye Ghana Football Association akotue sika foforo bia makane Black Star goalkeeper bi ono so ne friend Adam Kwarase so ono na emeda na o ma ba bonte abechem se nya sa na tie se de ye tete no kwasem bi edu ewom ye tie ye montungu na de wo beda gwa ye nim no aye Richard Kingston Lai Kingston bra no wono ana beda e no mo bobo amane bi ate saa e na ho nsem no aye saa ente sei ye Kwarase say ya hwan ni nyina wo mo de ho nsem pa ba ball ne ye hwe e tena hwan ana ebeda goalkeeper ade a training wa ho we dey training
no training keepers
Richard Kingston eno ho asem krata no e de aba na anya no nko asam wajan wakwa akwasra Black Meteors na hwese wasi apokete wani coachi wani referees oni ankrankre enkomoba wo mo bono ni nyina agina wo mo ni Algeria ewo agokansie bi enti wakọ akosra wo mo kotu wo mo fo so mo nkura so no asam wajan owo ho wota akire pampe etu wo mo ba wo mo ma bibia anya fine krata ne dia mano ne nsem bi nso so eba no pei a wo hwe hanom a Russia ensensem wo ekoso UK ko wo mo moa no ha bra ni buafu pa ya Vladimir Putin no se UK fu anim no mo ko boa Ukraine I was akode no mo so mo de be mo no obetere ne krache powers ensem pi ko so Nigeria mo to abawie yachi court ensem bi ko so na nso so tinubu aha ogusu ate wonti ye hwe ba bia court de nsem no kwa akogu nti san betime free nazet aba na ko pekrata ne bi na kenka wonya bi na kenka e be boa pa
afi me fat Ghanaian Times into apo na yen sorry na homeland study case ya ena samri de nipenum wo mu asoso wo mu obi aso no yonko atade mu se no mu kokoto no se so no mu kodafi ase enso eno no na se ne edi ka abomo amane no mfienum ena obi a enso ekotwa na krata na animu se ne aye nyina enem Plant Ghana Green ena samri de government ababetudwa se afi enuama akoma be se mpimdu ena obedua na yenko aye damango wasi ehene yogbon wura na senkrofo eduru ba bia na wo mu aye krokro dodon unim dwumadie na se no omampani dada John Dramani Mahama Kobi ena omampani abedi akire ono so Kobie na akohwe sene awo mu esere wo mu hono a onkasa amanyosem mu wotimi toma no wetimi toma no we ti eno so mfoni enso ewa hana yade bi ena ababeto dwa se yese don hwere ba ko bia ekum nipa wo Ghana mamu ti UNICEF fo ede ho nsem ababeto dwa nti kope Ghanaian Times na ko ne krata fa etoso aduonu nan ubehunu yade kro enso ewo ho afoforo dodo no a ewo ensemi enso emu a ukotobi na akenkan a ubehunu ne mfitiase en na wieye na emrenti memfansi ha etanse empanimfo se oba na o cha
wankwa
woji wani so nti aha no ye asoada pa ye de sore na ye de akọ nti nana penpen yinim se utie anopay ye moache woni mama mo wo ye breman ye UGC anopay enchia sonko enso enkomame nti samre de duana mo abe ye ne ye sore na ye nko
Breto ba kwasi tumesi Madela ni di finance minister Fia Chinabrodua na yate won e kano haya jinkwa wonzo 1.9 sef jesu me ka say yes to me life e wo yen Facebook page no ajinkwa FM Kumasi 101.9 ajinkwa FM Kumasi 101.9 YouTube ajinkwa FM live yenya aboafo nkato ne emna ye ba ye beto aso
He wants. What's the wedding is? Oh, you butu Wakaka.
Messi. Lufat na wajima where you?
Hey, malaria drew Lufat. To my wedding where your hospital.
Sister, where I imagine there. Few hours to my wedding. No Monsieur Semu huma yeshepe. Linketa was me kunia. My husband is sick.
Hey, Jemo Tonodo. Nabas no yen.
What's the water tested positive for malaria?
No, not one for ambulance no one.
Ambulance. It's not a bicycle.
Hey, no, nothing from Kakabo.
No, kick. Me wedding on me make up nina. Sometimes nearest pharmacy. So one meji Lufat.
Entrance pharmaceuticals for one malaria bruna.
Inyo. No ye na one chair. Mukuno china nenadi. A brand pa.
No kuniso. No pona waka that you may kiss the bride. If you want so day.
No, Donna. Man, near Donna.
Indeed, I will malaria and cold to them. Lufat, a malaria drop a test for malaria before treatment. FDA, I should say a dead in Kratway Ajatum say a ye.
Foligo capsules ni syrup your multivitamin fofra ejema mo fani benina iron zinc copper folic acid vitamin B6 nutrient ashimuma Foligo brama oxygen na yetwiko yemuno eje dwumaji na honam no sunya hode a ehwehwe Foligo syrup de deda malt ne ewowo ni jema mofra Foligo blood building nutrients so won ne pama benefo onikatufo ni obi a wayare na hotono
Yankase
FD ahwehwe sɛ gye din kwatu mu agya tum sɛ ye
Obiara ribisa neda me shiva on a payment and wasn't brodo me see all your alternate fatigue in a fever so on a pay me repisa me see all your alternate malaria any more general body pains but I'm free sick of alternate everything be alternate sick of in be the alternate no alternate malaria fever no alternate nimu fatigue in a headache no alternate Weja wuna mi yao, no Martinet. Pastor na lawyer, no Martinet. Presented for count, no Martinet. Aya yo you follow them, no Martinet. Mano mene, also no Martinet. Yo, it's no Martinet. Malaria fever, no Martinet. Nimu fatigue in a headache, no Martinet. Weja wuna mi yao, no Martinet. Pastor na lawyer, no Martinet. Presented for count, no Martinet. Aya yo you follow them, no Martinet. Mano mene, also no Martinet. Yo.
Rose, Frekit ran the video man, maybe Sasa, I have run on assistant.
Bra, Uswa Bremo, Tanya Mankuni, a Kawari Ebre, will you wait dear so to any Hennapa?
You did make you some papa. I got 2 days, but no wedding yet, Russo. And called relief tablets even now on Towentem. What to me my wedding case? I don't know. Cold relief.
Cold relief. Pepper sono kokoko. Etimi a wangi tenkete. Uchimu yo dududu. Ana hunimu sonyusu ananso hunimasi. Cold relief. Ebe relief wo ama huwa towo ntemso.
Cold relief. Semensiawa and can betra oba we musa anso mweja mpako.
Awari so.
Don't know.
Ubenya cold relief for pharmacy bi eben wo mu. Etufonko Tobinco Limited Kumasi Sports Stadium echi. YF Brono no so. Telephone 051 38966. Cold relief.
A relief mentamso.
Chania Disaheba capsules.
Madame Fieni.
Hey, and to what in your pan and what's the said Disaheba? What is Sasa?
Mandia, wouldn't be. And not dear, for once, my Jiwaj, I do Saheba Messana, who come from Mamiano. Oh, my number Tiwadansi. Miampa Caneno, Namsis Namitimuna to Cheme, Nami Coco Yadia so teach me. May number do Saheba Messai, Nina to go, and the Maya free. And do some radio, yet tried you would name. Watching, and you see, you could look at Miss, a person crying at Martin Baby. Sanya do Saheba Mr. and come a woman. What don't I cry, Miss Mabuapasu? Nan say, Ujina Brane. A fa a do Saheba capsules no says a Mijina, who's a me a Bamamua. A Jenny, a young no crap. At the summary, or be to me, I just a painful. A battery I won't down for anyone I wouldn't fit to me. Kumasi, to find out of phone call to Saheba Center in the clinic. I was swimming macro, go filling station down where and the swami Pentecost I saw down. After I have a shop in the pharmacy PM. 0500110 115. I do Saheba.
Nana, one pound and in Sweden will say.
Mimiaba, Minko saying, acquire contractors, Binum Edemia Faswon, or my from Sikena, a better than Kojamisu.
An idea, a banner construction worker, a Mako Bakope, a MCL Construction Services. One more bet me a war, Emma Odino, wet me a cynic kama. So what to assassin, now a pesaveya. I'll bet me a hair to assassin, nothing was saying a wonkata, Semina Mawa, a MCL. A Biana was the diner that now per plumber so bet me, I won't use some more toilets, Amawa, Nina Fatang MCL, a fair kitchen, we be sitting a kama diamo, electrical works, Nina Jemo, Ediama MCL, a fair MCL Construction, but sign a hair one more, almost dying, and sure a man who a dridri
ni nyina nso e de amamo ebi ana nkrankra anase hotel adwuma kwa hodo a mo pese wonu ye renovation mamo no akonya wo ho saa edan no fina hyase kosi na wie ye de eye MCell Construction Services and I was so the dan won
ekuya wo kasa asem we say atre me de na tre se omudi ni krampa we de atre mo echi akwan
hwehwe we echi akwan waso ye kase no e wo Wuniba na Nanom School Junction e wo nkran kwan so sanso e na abehu won Takrade Cape Coast Kumase Accra La Paz Akoteman and afei Achem Akroso obetimi no won edi nkomo e was 024-484-3480 and afei 054-157-8297 and a 020-228-2888. MCell Construction, we build your dream into reality.
Wake up. Oh, say yeah. Prestige Electronics. Achadiankwa. Atajufowa. And what's it then? Media Sempanam. Prestige Electronics. What's the brand now? Electrical new meninano. Beton wana suye. And penisi enye dantani danto. Dantani nesika kwa bano. Enunti enye baby and sese wujina. Now electrical appliances woto. Mr. Bra Prestige Electronics. Yedi yesi pads na yencha wadze. Enunti se eye TV set and our pay. Gas cooker, home theater, yawa deep freezers, akesie and enketwa ewo ho. Air condition, washing machine ni akika ka hunyina no. Wo ba ye na hye ho no mo. Ebi wo ho, eboa ne wo fom na eye papa echenso. Woto ye nneoma ye ma 1 year warranty. Ese ye afabra ye besiesie amount. Se woto enneoma ewo ye ho a, Kumasi ha e na wo de kwankwan ade wuni ha. Baby ade ko bia ye de beko ama free. Enu nti se wutu dudro mo anase baako no. Ehwe ye kira kwan ye wo Kumase Abrepo Junction Shipum Kotoko Junction in Chenhwa Freyen 0598066164 and 0200406666 Prestige Electronics and your papa.
Sorry dear fa. One kasa wo de ho wo hu. Mo hwe me skin. Ama me sha atare amemre kra. Nyame sure Skin City Laboratorium adepa eneton no. Ye hyper pigmentation and a hypopigmentation. And no ye yadewa gudu bia ewo redie nani a Skin City pe and ebetimi ye free ho. Malesma eye nan so obeye wo manim sunburn area show freckles ene nkeka ho. Eno danche ye ka bibi se acne ye pimple e bani panim. Ebidia susu ye wo echitosis eno ti wonum se na don saka skin na. Wo filisa skin ne rere sa facial ye rere ho. Senior eno ye white dot ene patches e ba redie nani. Ube unso bo ho a wo redie nani na muni se de ye bubu pleats ana guidance ana keratosis eno so ye strawberry na kwaye sa wudwa akokwa a se de akokwa ho tie sisimu nkadam no ene ye wo anti-aging facial creams eno esiesie wo wrinkles emani padua ne sane fefefe ene ye sa wo se wo beware wo skin nye eye Skin City Laboratorium pe ana mekan for the amount ene ye wo dry dark knuckles eno eye wo nsachi aye tuntum wotimu so obi ne color fe pa na so ne nsachi ayi na ma afa ye wo dark neck ukomu sei no na ye tum ene ye wo severe dry skin ye wo severe oily skin and damaged skin repair when it aswasa eye Skin City Laboratorium pe ana mekan for the amount facial and body waxing ebebwa so wo Skin City Laboratorium achira kwan a ye wo asokore mampo affordable house and share ni mu pe for 0248936297 0248936297 obajo so adwumayefo nanim tese
Abusafo da masese mwatwe aje adwedi nkrato aba ha ya ajinkwa 101.9 kasafidie so na no a Ghana mampanya be de akire Yewra Mahmoud Baumia eba ye beka ase kejetia yemie dwanu ma adwagifo no no nkonko ye adwuma no adwagifo nya ni tiye na samwa ya titi akese fi na no beka ase mekani ani kejetia ho besia no pe ya mno kase kwa kani ani ho ani okwa obia so the torchlight the phone light no de adwuma adede na esi entia omampanyi abeka sa asem no nanso ebesi sabre kani ani ho omo chese edwanum yesumpa yabeko na ya ne sa akwade pepra wo be de pombede edi nkoma no pay na ya bisa ne se aden kani ahoma no wo nkika nsuso mu omampanyi abede echi ebeka ne sa na oja ahokoye na all canon nhye ebe ne gu akwan so chese adwadifo no betumi enya nyinam ana kanea na wono mo de adi oduma ade ahobo na sese egusuo yɛhwɛ na yɛnyasa akɔde pepra yɛmfa no mra na ɔmebɔ yɛ nkyiremu anɔpɛyi sɛdeɛ nsɛm no sitie ɛwɔ kejetia ɛne ɛyɛ ne nkwaado sɛdeɛ nsɛm no esi ɛteɛ yakɔ ahoma no so na yɛ ne sa akɔde pepra ɔmde pɔmbe de eni nkɔmɔ hello sa akɔde sa akɔde fie bɔkɔde
yɛnyɛ bɔkɔ
yo anɔpɛyi yɛnya ne nteɛ sɛ kejetia efiri na ano ɔmampania bɛde akyire bɛbɔ amadeɛ sɛ adwadifo no nkonkɔdi dwa no kani ani hɔ adai sɛ ne nsɛm no esi ɛteɛdeɛ na esie no nti bɛsi saa berɛ adɔpɛyi sei na producer na wɔ hɔ ɔkyerɛ sɛ sum wɔ hɔ paa wada ruma twafoni kakra kyɛ hello sa kɔdeɛ ɛtɛ wɔn ka paa
okay Kasano.
Sa kwadi ahoma no ati yɛhwɛ sɛ yɛbɛsɛ nya no biewu na yɛde no aba ahoma no so no aba bɛkyerɛkyerɛ nsɛmu ɛde akyerɛ yɛne a yɛhwɛ sɛ yɛsa bɛka sa kwadi pepra yɛnim deɛ asie nti a ɛbɛsi saa bere sum ɛda so ɛwɔ kejetia na yɛhwɛ sɛ deɛ nsɛm no ɛsi ɛteɛ mame ɛnkamfo liberty of hope ɛfa ɛma sɛ yadeɛ bi tete wɔ haw bi abo asekyerɛ mu sunsum haw sunsum a wadeɛ wadwuma sɛ mu gu odi hye bi adwe ho aka bibi ɛne obi pɛde ayɛ na wɔkɔnom nubɔne bi a nyinaa no wode ba yɛbɛtu ase yɛwɔ agyabasu ICS gas filling station hɔ diabetes o kidney anaasɛ osabo na ho aka nyinaa no yɛbɛboa otu aseɛ ama frɛ 0598297767 0598297767 na yɛnyɛ so alo sa akɔdeɛ aha yɛntie wo deɛ ɛkɔ so wɔ kegyeti
ɔmedase sɛdeɛ wode ati gan sɛ yɛwa ɛyɛ mamu bawumi abɛbɛpie mu ɛyɛ naano no ɛbɛbɛbie gane de maagade kɔkɔnyɛ nane sɛ kemi fɛ ɔmo agye sɛ kɔmo de na ɔtwe alanka esuo na ɔmo ato ɛyɛ asiesie ɛyɛ igane so de gane bi tuma fari pɛpɛpɛ na kwabrani bi so ɛnkonkonya ɔhaw bi aso ɛho na dɛ na mpanyin bɛ tie mu kɛ ɛna wɔde tu dwa sɛ dabi kemi efo nsusu yɛ na ɔmo de ato igya no ɛyɛ ade a ɛmmoa bi sɛ igya no koraa no fi na ano no a igya no ɛhye yɛ ɛbɛsi ɛyɛ ne gbɛgya no ne a ɛkɔkɔ pie mu ɔgbɛgye na ba na ɛfɛm aka sɛ ɛwuhu de ha ɔkwabrani sɛdeɛ kɛtɛyɛ atuma hyi deɛ kɛtɛyɛ sɛ kɛsoɔ nya no akasa mɛgya kakra ne ɛfakora yi ɛyɛ nkurɔfoɔ bi a sɛ bɛtuma pɛpɛ soɔ yi hu nneɔma no deɛ a asɛ yi nyinaa hɔ na nta ɛhɔ nso akɔakɔ no ɛhɔ nso tena te ɛnso na ɛno anɔpɛre na ɛkɔkɔ pie mu agyadifoɔ de awura mu kɔ nnua no na ɛtɔm akasa from da no a ɛgya no hyeɛ no a bɛsi ɛyɛ naano ɛyɛ nnua no deɛ kɛmifoɔ ɛne wɔn mo a wɔn ɛhwɛ ɛgya nso no sɛ ɛbɛsiesie ɔnyi ɛyɛ nneɔma no ahyehye no yɛ nsuwa no sɛ ekweli nyinaa nti na gane mampani hu sɛ dabi gyae saa deɛ no ma ɔpadane sɛ wɔntena ɛho a gane ni a yɛama no ɛyɛ katihyi ɛne sɛ bɛbɛ nipa kɔpɛ nakyɛw sɛ bi nyansa no ɛwɔ fam nti sɛ ɔno amfa ne nyansa na wanka gya saa nkurɔfoɔ no sɛ dabi mu nneɛma agyadifo no ɔyɛ a ɛbɛkɔ bɛ boso no mfane gane yɛmmie ma ɔmo ɛnti sɛ sɛdeɛ ɛhyi nkɔmmɔ tumi asiesie no koraa no ane sɛ kwadane tumi frɛ ɛyɛ kɛmɛfoɔ mpanimfoɔ sɛ krahye mokɔm kɔsiesie nti ɔmo kaeɛ deɛ mɛtumi aka sɛ gane mampani sɛ aba back ɛwɔ bɛ kyerɛ wo nyansa sɛ dabi mokɔ na mokɔ ɛkɔsiesie hɔ na mokɔ yi hɔ sɛ yɛbɛtumi aboa ɛma agyadifoɔ nso ɛnyɛ baabi atena ɛti hɔ no ɛnam so ɛma ɛyɛ agyadifoɔ no bi ɛyɛ press conference ɛde aseda ɛma yɛda ɛyɛ mamu dawumia sɛ ɛbɛbɛpie mu hɔ na ɛgya wo kaa ɛyɛ tɛmifoɔ mpanifoɔ ho na wɔn kɔɔ dɔnkuom na ɛgya wɔn tumi ebi ɛgya no ɛso ɛde ɛma wɔn na wɔn nso ɛtumi dida na adeɛ baako a ɛgya yɛ ba bɛbɛpie mu hɔ sɛ yɛnyɛ sɛ ɛgya no ɛhye no yɛwɔ baabi ase yɛ na yɛnim sɛ ɛgya so hye baabi a ɛwusie no tumi kyerɛkyerɛ ɛkɔ baabi baabi ɛwusie no kyerɛkyerɛ kɔ yɛ nyinaa mpanyinfoɔ no ɛyɛ adeɛ a wɔn si yɛ mo kwan ɛmo mo kɔtɔn adeɛ wɔ ɛna ne jadi fo su ti sia bon ti da bi tomata se before ya do mu kom ade o mo so kaja ɛyɛ nanka ne se ɛntwe eti se bi ono o mo fo su nyina no ɛsɛ nu kon se to mo ti da no on the bi ani wa ahye ne mo musie no ɛna ɛbɔkɔ ho eti ne o se jadi fo so no ɛni abi after so mo to ba bi mo mo pedi da kra o mo so mo pedi bi ɛfa ɛma wo mo ti jadi fo no aka sa trase ɛso so se era company ɛna kupado ɛna be de chere be busha won sam na back eti se ke mi fo na ka so bu de se bi o mo je ne wo fo kakra eti so ama no an se bi de se ke mi fo no a o ya nya di an be na kwan amo man sa ko ti ko ti ko so na o mu esu ya he esu se ni nya ni se o mu yusu 1 meter e ko ba se no e twa se o mu disconnecting e be ma boa na be bia e ho si ye no o betini ko fara system bia ma na ko chi obi a ti so ni aka se it is like be told am for so na mo ti so mo ni sa ko no e fi oni sa da je na fi oni so mo so light na e do ha be ti o mo disconnect be be ble family e wo second floor no e bu ha e su mo pa se enya sem to na mo ko isi touch light and o mo di ahwe so mo no ma so e wo ti su mo ti no e wo enso amane no enso e wo ti ka se de
Sakwadie de wu kan die na yewura Bawumia vice president no nim se sadie we nya bekoso ene o se adwadifo no kodi dwa no wanye bifu no aka che ne se won kan chom so mu kodi dwa na ebeko ene o ma beko ye nei obi ade touch right ene ye adwuma wo yi
se wo na ejana kasa etitimo se abonte so ade de yewura mayo champagne o ne da ejana na ejana di on seka ti ebifu obi a so bifu minister Simon Semensa so eka bi de che aban kachi na Simon Semensa no we ni demo amane ho ne we mayo na we ni edano o hawa ate se market no perform on management no ebifu de ekosu nyina eti sa fire sa machine e ti tese minister ba bibi ebeki o e beki na bia am se bia se ho no performing na adi na koma yela keme mayo yela champagne e tell to mu no yela champagne ke be che na o bi no also ti e chance na o ba da zo ni performing ti mini e do ka che Simo o se na samo so ka che yela be do yela so de ya so ka o ba be e be sra o e ti se de e foso e we se mo de oni woni e ti di an se de performing se o mu bi e jane enfama wo mu na omunya baby enfa je nto no enam so e ma sa ne kan na kuma so ma no ba ko ka no ti da we mponi na twegu na obam yewia be mu bawia e wo do eni aho sepe we mu ani nipa wo donti ono ka baby so what chafe na wo ko pe e ke me fo 1 week from jam mo so 1 week no so bit ma pro bi se ke me fo se se na ka omunya sa no kom e ti no wa re no wo fo no ni mu a
Sakwadie yehwe se yakani ani wa adwadifo obi ade na phone light e touch light na edi dwai se no mo e fa no wo musom sei
na ba wo market ya sabi egani na wo so no so the most yes no e tani na bi edmo bibia so e ho eti obi ba to ade na obi kan ade a chi sei na be bi esumo because esumo edu ho mo ate ade to no ni ade to so akwa ya ge ade obi ba to ade na bi o play ade to ko pe ko so media e de ta se obetie mu na akwa to ade na akwa ni ejama ni ba ko ba to ade na kasa no oba e kwa la ti ta o be ti ta no o si to no ta no u be bia o fa na esumo edu o mo ti so na ja akwa ya se ye bia mama mo to ade mi ye ani ano ye ye dia ye bedu mi sa na e ko so e wo ka je tia e ye ja tekiri na mo me so mo de me kire da se ade ala ti de ebi e wo ni mo so no e ho si ye no e ka sana de point 3 de e ka say na ti de ho ana du e ho ana so na du ti anya na ni se bia template ye bia ye du mo template ye ho a e be ba e ho ana du ho ana sa na e ko so di se wo bi na ka wo to ade e wo so na se we ni touch light pa na se wo phone touch light ni dia e be ya dia man se obi da to ade wo na wo ko so ma sa wa obekemu akọ enso di no ka se de so de e mo ka se su de ya dia e tu mo enya sem to so mo se se to de sabi ka se da ba e 2000 na yewa e ke Japan di ba cha wo mo no o mo ya no mo wa ka di ka sin tan o fa me de to se de to se de be ato o ma de na ko mi si wa mi ka se no dia e do how ana e be mo ti na de to de o mo ka se ye fa se to let me test 2000 ton na yega the Japan Jabla or Musa or Mukombo or more na ɛhɔ so ɛyɛ meters nse de tuma bɔ na supply ɛyɛ energy ɛde ama for so ɛda ɛwɔ sɛ ɛde nti ne yɛ kasa deɛ esu deɛ yɛ ade a ebu pa nya asɛm ketewa a sa me de fɔ ɛkɔntɛnsɛn telefon so na na ti ɔmo nyɛ hu ti ɛfa ɛmɔ ti sɛ de edi kanka no na na ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ kaje tie da tɛsim nti ɛgya na ba deɛ ɛka telefon sɛ baabi a wɔhye yɛ ne deɛ animanim ya ɔmo pia ɔmo ɛyɛ gadi nyinaa ɛnkɔ no pia ɔmo pia ho ɔmo siesie ɔde no wɔn mu ahyehyɛ no nyinaa no ɔmo yi ni yɛ si hɔ amanfo na mo nti ɛnu sɛ badeɛ deɛ bibia etime bɛda deɛ gya kare pɛ na ayɛ mmerɛ deɛ before sɛ kee no fo mpani fo sɛ ɔmo deɛ ɛyɛtu ɔmo fo na no pɛ yi ɔmo nkɔ na ɔmo pɛ yi wɔn nyinaa na sɛ ɔmo yi hɔ so a ɔmo nkɔ so ɔmo mu obiara atwa mu hɔ ebi sɛ wɔn hwɛ yie a ɛde esi tia no ebetumi ɔsa akɔfɛ yɛ ne foforɔ so ɛde abrɛ amanfo mo ɛso yɛgye aba ɛsɛ 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 ata ɛnu ɛsɛ de yɛtu nkɔfo mo nfa no ano fɔ ninim sɛ wɔn mo ɔmo nyiri ɔmo mu fie kɔ nimu kakra na ɔmo gyi na ewu nti ɔmo sɛ ɔmo gyi agorɔ sisɛ ɛnu ntɛ yɛ kɛse yɛ sɛ ɔfa bɛni bi ɛfa akɔsɔ silinda ɛsa ne ɛgbɛni ɔmo sɛ mi dɛ polisifoɔ ɛsa asa ne asɔ wɔn nsumi kɔɔkyi yɛgusu edi ekyi sanse mu yi yɛde ho mmuayɔ so bɛba yɛwu sɛ bi a yɛ kaa n'adwene no wɔyare kakra anaasɛ wɔnyare anaasɛ wɔhyɛ da sɛ ɔbɛti afɔti sɛ biara sɛ nipa no ne mmea so so ɔbɛwu so kɔtɔ ku
ɛna duru anaasɛ obi so asɔ coalport wɔ hɔ
gyenoba ɛti dɛ sɛ dɛ wɔkyɛ aka ne
gɛnɛ meka kyerɛ sɛ biribi ne wobɛkɔ bo nsɛm gyem woyɛ dɛ ne abɛkɔ bo nsɛm gyem saa kɔdeɛ bebrɛ a wɔbɛde pɔn bɛde yɛbɛda ase ɛdwa no a nti yɛde kyerɛ sɛ obi kɔ sɛ ɔga ase ɛde ɛgya baayɛ no ɛno a obi so akɔ sɛ coalport Ghana wobɛkɔ bo nsɛm gyem wotwi mu tan bibi ne wobɛkɔ bo nsɛm gyem woadwene ne nyɛ asɛm asi yɛga asɛm no do adwuma wasa akɔ sɛ coalport ɛyɛ nsɛm bebrebe ayɛ agyekwa wazuo wapɔ no akasafidie so ɛgya no ɔhyɛ naano no ɛnoɔma ɛsi yɛ hɔ nya yɛnyi baako kora mfiri hɔ yɛnkɔ ahoma no so na yɛne Madi Mohammed Jibril ɛdi nkɔmmɔ wɔno na NDC amakuo no bɛyɛkuo a wɔpa a wɔnom sɛ abato a ɛbɛba soɔ ne ɛde ayi mmarahyɛbadwafoɔ ne frankatufoɔ ɛwɔ NDC amakuo mu no wɔnom hwɛ soɔ no wɔdi mu tintima paa yɛnkɔ ne ɛne no ɛni nkɔmmɔ ne ɛmu sɛ sesei sɛ nanamontuo no ɛteɛ Mira Mohammed Gabriel Madi wote menka akra me mo achem wakwa aba aya de kwa wanzo 1 na gasafdie so asante mantem kumase
Mira me jo so na tari
Mira na efie ye bokode e
a de da cha na tari
jo da sa do pe to safre wo so age ye so na nsen na mo se adwumedie bi ase ebi akwanya to wo se wono wo pepa se wo gina NDC amekuo no edini mu mpesua awodo so sem na hyebidwafoɔ no wɔmɛfa krata wonkukyire wɔn ho nsɛm engu so wɔn obeso otu franka no wɔn so ani saa dwumadi ekura no abi na mo hyɛ ase ebedu saa bie nya ne nteɛ sɛ nɛ enya twa to a ɛwɔ so obiara de krata wɔbɛfa ayɛ no ɛde ba na wɔyɛ ho amamle wadaruma sɛ na hyehyɛ a mo hyɛ ase ebesi de no esitie na hwan titi wona wo tu franka no hwan no wode ne de aba hwan no wonfa ne de emaye
no bibinia maninta we see for na tay ampa asking the nomination last month ama me as president of parliamentary ala take from that process is the committee so don't know how to from no almost around after endorsement. Monday and you say was not part of on some break. Now I'm telling you to go down. But the party is the brother as I think drop. But the way down. It's a representative as well. And then I mean don't I love you now In the negative, they know a young lava. Share him to a Nina, the one seven won't project system. But until a time, Bamba. The negative so far, you have to go back to the
Hello, Mira. Hello.
Yeah, me too. Go.
Okay. Eti say no nature say wo baka de say adwuma no amo hya ase no efi na no a besi sabre no botaya na simo di so no mo nsaka ana mo duru ho.
Oh, yeah, that's how I because I was going to affair the tune and ready. I'm not a rapper, I'm on the back. What I say, yeah. And the sales, South Pole, you know. Oh, you say, oh, no, I did it from someone. I'm a rapper now. And I say, I'm going to fight and make the family sales, you know. Who not to happen? But the journey so far, as I say, I don't know.
Jo na yanhwe eya na du ba bia enipa ho adwuma saa no akonsidie bi ba bi a mente me ho ase bi we si ya de me fa kwa we so mu dwumadie mu se na esiko e mu nya challenge bi
oh negative about the donta so far after negative among the last the far open to member no so we yeah what that the other
Mo Yera Muhammad Jibril Madi yabeda ase anopai so aje brani adaje na ne atwetwe nkomo break akra ka yedi mu na abato no beba so no bibini na kire adwen a yabeba wo nchen bio ni abajinchi Abusiafo Yera Jibril Madi Muhammad wano NDC election committee member ni akone chen na anopai ye ne no akwakodi enkomo no aya ajenkwa wazo 1.9 kasafie so yana ya humra na ya ba bidwafo ya krado ya ne won mu besi nkonwa na no pensa mudu a bua paso no ya dwendwe ho breso a ya bembo akwanya na ado adwinche no susuye aba besom because is to me life in Facebook page no ajenkwa FM Kumasi 101.9 ajenkwa FM Kumasi 101.9 YouTube ajenkwa FM live mo fidie no na ya da ya ho abasia
Sampayetia Obayansa fuso wo bunubia wonka na asam Tema futu sam kakre wa supreme Yo kofi o man ya woman o man ya mama Yenyi baby ako wacha za ya wareni Wonsom wanini pa asa dipa wo fio ye Demo
I recall is that when Ken became Minister of Finance in 2017, I heard him on the TV. He was talking and he was saying that protecting the national coffers. Now, the promise and the achievement, the gap is too big and I need more explanation. I think that's it. But all I know is that you were going to protect the national coffers and they are now empty. Whether they were empty at that time or not is neither here nor there, because you were not going to be protecting the empty thing. You were going to protect it and make sure that everything that comes into it henceforth is going to be well husbanded, and we will not sort of reverse again. It's been very disappointing, and the fact is whether it is Kenoforiata or if it was somebody else, it would still have been the same.
NPP is taking this power as a matter of life and death. They said it already. They said all die, be die. And they are acting out and living the reality of the all die, be die. And so we are not going to joke. And I'm sounding a warning to the NPP. We're going to match them boot for boot. And NDC is a democratic party. And that's why we abide by the rules of the Constitution. But the same Constitution says that Ghanaians should resist anybody who attempts to subvert the Constitution. And when you go rampaging with forces and intimidating people when they should come out and vote, you are subverting Ghana's Constitution. And we have a right to resist you. But I just want to sound a caution that NDC has revolutionary roots. And that when it comes to unleashing violence, nobody can beat us in unleashing violence.
Completely confused. Abattoir Yebetu May 13th, and the first step towards freeing Ghana from the hands of this small MPP cabal. Entina Yakase be pempenso Ghana edruin, and Yadia Yadema Obiaso Ashrebium, Yempe Somishrebium. Anka Sas Somisha, you be pay a Chosian, yes, or Mosheno. I can't even say in a bebana. I can't Johnny Jahomo. And Tian Trasimon Bia and Becassa and Son and Tribune. There was said, Brofo Casamomo more used to computer that we must reset Ghana to default settings. Over computer, so now a code Jimina, a Jimmy, you do a reset. Now, Asaba back, Asano Asako. We're going to reset Ghana. Factory reset! We're going to.
Haya jinkwa wanzo wa mona video so na aropai yako na yako akosum ewura no mu atrase Mira Abdul Wahab ekasa edema NPP amayekuo no akra aropai wo ba abesum ne man Sita Saidu ekasa edema NDC aropai wono so ebeji no adwa Mira Beneza Nyamiche also social commentator baba beka ye ho amayaso na sana no mamemfa wo dedi enkratwe enfama Frank Sapon do no afro Blackman Frank Sapon Blackman ene eye wa woda etiminua yese onyankompo ban board de kesiyo e de ema Blackman say ade bia wo ye bia no onyame wani wani mu kan wontre wa hye mu na omo ne abusuani nyira ho bai ene Frank Sapon Blackman yama happy birthday wo dwumadie sonko a wudie de ma wankasa wo ho ene oman Ghana mamenko na Mira Abdul Wahab watan sidie mimusa nse fiempo ete sei Wahab akra efie boko de
tekrema eda bodwem na mojanso di Afrosani and the human selection yi mene nyina ye nya ye de studio ha ye ba badwuna o man kronkron Ghana ho die o said ya sida mo asida mfa mo twedi ampon yankopon
okay
na me banamite say woni obra your friend saying kasa from KJT the boy
aya sakodi
na ka I was say unya contractor no reporter or the buy urebe ho Kumasi Central Market Phase 1
okay
routine inspection of Kumasi Market Phase 1 operations Kumasi 17th March 2022 na okoha current state of the market minya uridia you know that market no not is here but the managers those who were managing the market no omuye worse than anything
okay.
The market never exists masa was a fire hydrants fire hydrants and fire extinguishers ni masa uridia don't say sense unse get market sensor no sensor who say smoke air bar
I say sensor no battery
oh masa yes be a cover
I got you say
it's very bad
bibini wa ko bonsem je
very very bad in fact if this is the kind of life I ever believe now
when you say no so obi akoso kopot wo am ya
such a person nonka under normal circumstances this shouldn't be a news to us by now the person should have been languishing in a police cells
and now akoso kopot
see
it me catch us o man over ko bonsem je wa ya mo catch him say na idea na bana
so you're very 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 careful with the way we are behaving in fact sebi aponchen so me yam ponchen o do pa asama mi kin pe antoma fita na seho na fa seho na be so on be fa so
aponche one faso oduru ade na obehura tra on faso wow enya yi o
What ye fa bibi to ho. Obehura tra. Eno no ye one. Oh. Ena unse bridge. O twe aponche na so odwan ebe fa so for the first time ah. One no ho be struggle.
Bo ka dis go be that.
Because ono onyi eyini ni. But ye bibini especially Ghana ni. Nti yakosua Brazil, yakọ Brazil ko hu se ne omo si omo de no.
That is say.
That is say.
I was here so mu see yakọ
see control rooms ni ade adani store rooms. Generator ni dan standby generator ni dan ni pono krampo yesi ai ni safo ayesi ayera. Te say yakotwa fence ni ba bi na eni wura ho. It is quite it's
unfortunate, embarrassing.
We should be ashamed of ourselves.
It
is very bad. Now, Diana, just by the by, I don't count your topic so. But before I make on, I hope and trust say, China,
Ghana Blaster.
The also Uncle Joe Musica. Family home. Me winning bonus in an so measure, so and they say kiss. That is the winning bonus of every guy.
Yeah.
But Chinano, I suspect say Cramofo will be observing the holy month of Ramadan.
Yeah.
And yes, I share moon. Be a ne. By the counting, there was a China. Cetrus parabus.
If you all things be equal.
Betimi, I've started the 29 or 30 days journey of fasting.
Yeah.
I wish all Muslims all the best.
Okay.
It is not easy.
And easy.
Especially a China copy me numreno dia.
Yes, now they say a commando crab as a 1 hour. Nebian men walk and better. So and the common so fasting on and Kukweni Pow. Say I was a bit my fasting and Kukwa and Kukweni.
Call when you find. If you try it, you good. Ubetimaya are not very used to it, but there will be a certain day.
Yeah.
Be a wire fasting so the Juma be a by or so we end up a coins be you will not walk level 400. Why better? Yeah. And Mercer said this is a drew say most Muslims change.
Yeah.
Totally. The shall see how we say moxon in the early morning. No be corner moxon I am first day, second day, third day. By the time I will do first 10 days, now I started early to grace. Now a phone back.
That's the lesson.
I will do the second 10 days, which will be the 20 days. No, now a phone could you now today? I would have the third 10 days, which you better observe midnight prayers. So now I shall say, starts first 3 days in the end about me. Yes, I could do the tail end. So now I started say phone. Most Muslims change within this period.
Okay.
Any I about gentleman, gentleman. Any I only man and man will become a comported.
Yeah.
And now call Zongo.
Chastity no yet.
Chastity dear Bebana, but cause Zongo is a bish trap. Shansatia. And then Namna also. Oh dear, my chinanopa. Only pray that Maninya Crocodile John they should continue in that manner as it is. This is a month of charity.
Okay.
I believe this year also the month for be expect charity.
Zao.
So corner say also obi anya mawa take it as normal.
Okay.
Normal. Our system no. Na me fa konya we so na makachre Muslims are mudum.
Okay.
This is a manta mo pes e wo some chire mo nyon koma adoye.
Okay.
Unfortunately no. Odi opa ko make ene ko busa si chire bo. Na echina ode nana pia wi akodwom ko busa si kire bo ne fa to ho in the next day obeti sankramufuo aso ode busa milk busa lifting the 2 days later you go and ask it will go up again. Yes.
And the grand before bibi ebesi bia oda se ni person for ho die
decide say e dru samre na I either go to the shopping malls or the Melcoms.
Okay.
The price is static. Yeah. What must I say? So just pray that Yankopon.
Wow, we wish you all the best.
The film and Vigo to sail through these 20 or 39 days.
Yeah. Do sabres here. Brame papati asia no pasa no. Nyasa nketwa kra. Konyu meso nyasa nketwa kra. Okay. Rebeneza.
Edianaba.
Agrafie boko de.
Edianaba, Yankopon adom katamada bojuma mojedi ehun afri sande. Me ho ye pa na Edianaba KJT ansensem no won. O man no yesu ene ye ban no aya na duru ba bia ya areho. At times when issues of this nature happen, I become emotional. So most of the times what I do is to keep mood on it. Because I ask myself, say, a journey or management of the priest or Mosheso in collaboration with us, KMA, plus the local government minister and other stakeholders. So it's whose duty to Obesha said the right thing is being done. Meanwhile, so about it's alleged say week be uncrophobia why you cheer 5,000, 10,000 more just to maintain the praise.
Yeah.
As you look at what is happening, it's quite unfortunate, say fine. Both sides, do baby, I don't know maybe politics near there. But I think that this is one of the things that Oba Ashanti, Mema, and Asa Ashanti region, and Kumasi in particular, you can boast of, say, we have a modern market in praise, at least this source of income there, at the region. But it's quite unfortunate, I didn't need 10 years in Po. That's a saying, then I ask myself, say, what's the need for us to get another one?
What they do?
Because they are one company and why then do you have to go for another one? It's basically who is involved, say. It is our time we need to put our hands into say the right thing is being done because Abasa not the biase or man we are retrogressing instead of us to progress.
Now, unim de masa no ma we nyina ba.
Then about this all can.
Ade no kwa akoyese. Me na maje me store eye me dia.
You see?
But what you store that enya wo dia wo.
Yes.
Obi to tro no de commercial say me car.
No dia.
Enya wo the fact say wo de commercial na wo dia wo. Where you kwanda?
There be.
Where you kwanda?
There be. Inti
ayo man na yi kwana anamfo. It is all the store e wo Central Market KJT. Store no nya wo nkwa wo dio esi yi nya o man nya na aka ye.
Man nya na aka.
Enti ayo so man hunu say adie bi eye individual bi ade ade say o man dia.
That is that you see oh say yeah man no.
Esi ye nya na mo fra aban no.
Ya me
obi atwesika ma aban.
Ase
aya me ti say obi din sanfu o KJT akwa so gas mo di eno obi asa akoso je. Wo ko ka jo say store ni wo dia. Nti mo munti ase say wo di store o KJT awa. Enche say ye wo dia o. Ayo man ni nyina dia.
Ni nyina come with supervision.
Una onye musika enso eba e kan unua e obi ade.
Again about if we have a proper supervision plan as a nation
there.
Inka again about say no ma we nyina is avoidable. Because yeah abey oban na abeto so a we are Friday away. Even that day from to that period of mutu mukra how much it cost to state no e kra no e yen bebre. Enti everybody
pay any ense ni sa akodi di nkomo. Wasi free be na no ho hyi yi a Debris se wo nya da sugu ho.
Bi amfa nsanka.
Obi amfa nsanka si yi wo si ebesiesie si ebe de. Ni nya da sugu ho.
Nti don about a hard one. Na minya wa habo kan asem se Olade admo na Muslim for. Yeah, we sure I'm happy Ramadan. But don about those of us who are yes ye GD say the biblical calendar no you need to go by now you follow no and then both 6 p.m. and the first Nizan they started the new year
Nizan the car Nizan
what's that
car
Nizan and then Nizan
okay
I be so flano Abib war Bible ma a church say no need the beginning the first month of the year. April no.
Say no Bible must say the first month.
This time
doctrines.
If you look at the calculation and everything, and then both says once you have to say as they speak, they still not identify. But research and everything proves and both says it will tend to that first instant.
Okay.
And those are believing in all this thing, like including myself and the church I attend. They are many say about 6 p.m. so I just be here na ya will come the new year. And me fa konya so now we say obia happy blessed new year. That is the word we are in. It is full of controversies and all those things, but at times when we're able to identify with a biblical supporter and also with whatever believer who believe with supporter, because there are so many kinds of calendars people follow, and so for that reason and the both says PM efficient Mamfa Konya Sunamentia Seekers of the Truth Ministries members across the globe.
Okay, Mira Epeneza Nyabeche. Sit aside atrase akrafie bokode.
Nyankopon ya de kese minia. Nyankopon ya de kese so de ne so ache na wakan akati asefo ho. Okay. Na ba betra de kese so atrai aboa. I shape the discussions I cause woman ma. Nyame na e da se da kese ne se da PC beden. Ebe mano.
Okay. Mira Wahab. Akwaye ni nkomoyi. Nana Danko Akufo-Addo mampanyi and I wo to football koko. And somewhere over the years and in nam constitution yense sano yenyi bi film yenfa bi nka ho and say Nana to say yama hwiye kakramra constitution na kuta o me yen finsha be se duasene a ene utimi don se so boka so ye gane ni bibiche wadwen a utimi ka aboye pa na asan sam se de esi adoso ya nhwe ya ne yatuma mpamlika ne yatukuti e de esan yeyem afutu a Nana Danko Akufo-Addo de mai ne kwa so ano no ebisu chese nka bele ni o anka constitution yensa chimo oni akura ya adwen
Diana my fa kwanya we so na menchia party opinion for from the national to the last person at the police station.
Okay.
I mean, party grassroots, omunye executive bets, omuku edema party no. It's indeed important. So obinye party.
That's our word, you know. Grassroots. A fair word, a better word. What's that? They describe it.
Say, because a party grassroots, party delegacy, a party grassroots, party near obedient. Party no. A group BDA.
Mimusa was a man. We are not a idiot.
Fair word. Better word. Use for a grassroots for. They say you can't put you are being mischievous. One thing they say, every political party has a base. And that base is your grassroots. Or mona sorry, the party no ultimately a party neither. Sorry. If you are not there, the party is not there. What I mean I say? Their existence make the party more solid. That is why we refer to them as the.
I remember somebody say, "Yeah, you should be no fair. Yeah, the fair share of the party. We are base, you know.
The grassroots itself, the word grassroots itself, is not an insult.
But
it is something that is signifying the importance of the party.
Yeah, but without the importance, it just say, the party no ever power. Do they get the fair share? What's a grassroots?
And another question about answering in a different. For now, without a tree. Cannot be a tree
without roots. They are the roots. And after the.
Does the root get into nutrients too?
If there is no nutrients, how can the tree survive?
Because a party grassroots in my understanding, no party in your model. obetime grassroots. From that point, obetime abeye. There has never been a minister today who has never been a party grassroots member. Every minister, including the president, were a party grassroots. And Sana obey MP and the number be minister and number flat bearer. Because Onama, the first point of call, they say, what is your contribution? Then you start. Now, me creative group way. Me and I'm a police station executive, me organizer, and I'm a secretary, and I'm a chairman, and I'm a free war, and I'm a constituency executive. And so he's giving you his route where he has passed through all the ranks. What am I saying? Okay. Personally, I'm a grassroots person.
Okay.
But about grassroots, you better chim. Okay. Said he is a communicator. This is a polling station executive. This is so it's grassroots in the and the cashier umbrella cashier cashier bibia
involved Matthias here. Okay, so
indeed in these trying times even though some so-called bottle pure bottle and then phone carriers here on branding as social commentator special aids let me provoke some of the party grassroots.
Okay,
we then tell them that
okay,
that the so-called boss now all serving everywhere. That is their lifestyle. Me from water carriers and phone carriers, phone call receivers. Ideally, they're supposed to have a jotter.
Yeah.
Diana Fre, Sita Fre, Wahaba Fre. And then they'll give it to the minister or the CEO or whoever they are
MP
serving.
Now after
you look at the calls
and
then return the calls. And I say information more almost forwarded the amount of bosses. But you call a special aide who pick the call and tell that he is in the meeting. No business and we a minister. Only a minister. The minister is in the meeting. You are holding the phone. So take the message when he comes, deliver it to him. But they are the ones provoking party grassroots.
Okay.
Party grassroots in Abotre.
Okay.
In due course, bosses say shift to Bibia, then they will see that they are now over the bar.
Okay.
Boss because the party is in government. Diana, His Excellency the President of the Republic of Ghana, Ekasa Edifa, the caller, ye part and parcel of it, say the Constitution no, I spent 30 years in the lifespan no. I was say call retirement. The son said no maybe I think looking at the background of the president or a lawyer, a caution so the caution and all can or yeah, read this story now or can after almost say any wholesale change, and then you almost say partly change part. I am with the group that says that there should be amendment to certain articles in and then clauses in the constitution inimical. Okay. Ghana, and prominent among them, they say the article Emma or no the president the power to appoint more than 5,000 appointees. Should be taken away, should be limited. I belong to that group.
Okay.
The power that article Emma a beef etimi Jessica. That article 71 no woman free war because that article in a man we say medical doctor professional medical doctor we jai no betina parliament we jai no the politics echi me say sub article no and a man sa adodoye sa I believe that the very day that article will be taken off, that will be the day on my kron Ghana be found into my paye efra.
Sure,
I'm telling you, I have always had the belief that article no it was said Ghanaians should rise up and fight for it. It was said changing the constitution because right now the constitution right now the constitution Amaya the seal for ministers, cabinet ministers, which is 19.
Okay.
But there's no cap or seal for the number of ministers the president can appoint.
Okay.
I hope so.
Matthias.
They changed the constitution to cap it. The number of ministries by law, said these are the ministry. Even if you are coming to create something, it should be an agency under a certain ministry.
Yeah.
The constitution should be such a way that any ministry, and I say agency, be related, no,
like Ebopa aviation, railway, transport.
The constitution should be in such a way that your ministers, your parliamentarians, your presidents, taxes as gratia no. They should be the first people to pay.
Okay.
The constitution should reverse the number of members of parliament. It is too bad. You're talking about ministers. But look at the number. Ghana. If you want, reduce the ministers. Reduce them to 10. And you have 275 MPs. V8 maku 275. What do you think? Fuel. It is too bad for us. The constitution should be in a situation that, I agree that the constitution is amended. To the extent that, say, the president alone, the salary should be the highest.
Okay.
Today, as we speak,
if the salary as such a president, are they?
So there are so many. So I agree with the president that the wholesale lady and yet.
Okay.
But near woman MY near marking Bobo Bosso at the actual near woman MY constitution in change MP Bia this time round. The MPs Omunyusi bus.
Hey,
yes.
Why MPO?
Just you join the bus. What is it? We are MPA.
That's the way Omusi abo. Say, I said, Omuma Yahoo said, Omudie. Baby Omujanya when you GBA. Now what's the MP and coffee bus?
They should take a bus. If we are
a queen, we are a man paying for quite
listen, if we are a serious nation, a very serious nation, when the luxury,
well, people catch you say, ne constituency, a 1 year, it will hear forerunner. I bet to me, I didn't walk. I walk for bus in the air, or come on to baby.
You see, you're now getting to the point, may catch out say. We should reduce their numbers. Because it is only in Parliament of Ghana, Obi a Lucy election with a margin of 30-something, 40-something thousand. Obi Iba Parliament with 5,000.
5,000 votes.
Ne about Fasika, ne the man. I am saying that both MPP and NDC should make sure that your constitution, we have put it in it. Say, DCs, MMDCs are elected.
Okay.
Me, koya referendum o say it now, kokwasa, I disagree with that point. Because in a situation where the NDC is ruling, but the municipal chief executive is from MPP. The KMA boss is from NDC. The Askorima Municipal Assembly is from NDC. The TAFO is from MPP. So that there will not be clear cut. You are too about mommy, you are too about mommy. Everybody will account for ne.
Yeah.
So that
it's too worship.
Me say the 30 years Indeed, I agree with the president. Say, it is true. There's no two ways about it. In fact, ama enyina etimi kan kamima mi kan amamu me kamedie wia na sita kanedie na Ebenezer akanedie. That is the beauty, and I said the work of that constitution. But we are saying that it is good. But at a point in time, even with this right, no Krampo, yes, abuse no. Yeah, abuse no. Today, constitution inti ama politician bibia na yaje aswa. Meanwhile, town and country planning office at ho onya hwe.
Thank no.
Onya hwe. We are BC wa KJTA. And any serious country will look for the one who has been tasked to manage the market. Nanka nei ya twene ye gina ho. I'm telling you. Na on said
elsewhere Bianca minister boss management board chairman.
So clearly what we are saying is that the president is right in his calling. Say say if you don't throw away the with the baby or they say or caution ya, because me say ebia what the constitution the mamia ebia 200 and something articles so ebia 2 pe and 3 bi na beka ebia 2
so for ya bledo
there be what ma say ebia na on say o asama na oka nti what we for as Ghanaians say you very careful yeah tiente ma chichire mu say there were 2 groups 2 schools of thought ebia sita belong to the
overhauling
total throw away. But I so I believe in renovation. Oh, maybe I know better. I say no, you break the whole building down. You building afresh. What am I say? But I believe in your friends renovation. And by renovation, once some structural areas I feel that they should be, because I want to see a constitution that will leave the police no reporting. The police don't take any instruction from anybody. Automatically, the army is on its own. Automatically, Ubia, the so-called Yoko, Shiraj, Wine, their leadership are not appointed by the president. You know, these are all the groups are appointed. Shiraj boss, Yoko boss.
What you Mira Abdul Wahab, what in Kano, Maminko Beneza, Yamiche Wonakra, Mintino. Akra into way.
Sita, yeah, Diarava, Menchia, na Menchia Busan Foa, Ajimlo Mutie, Namenchia, Dr. Jenny Boatin Jataba, Menchia. So for penny apostle Same in cancer. I mean, she'll be a Janaba. I say, my Embra or man penny air cane. Once or man penny has been a lawyer before, so he understands the law. And indeed, he has been a lawyer, maybe. So, why your president is still a lawyer?
Practicing work on was it?
So he's still a lawyer.
Practicing was him.
Someone has been a lawyer before.
Will be a lawyer.
I'm just saying, but just say, be a person practicing.
All right. Thanks for the correction. I think he has retired.
No, he hasn't retired.
He hasn't retired. He's still a lawyer.
He's still a
lawyer.
He's a lawyer by profession.
And profession.
He has not retired. Currently, constitution banning
and I make us take away his portfolio. And I'm just saying, if you have no person cancer or be our practice.
So thanks for the education. Oman Penny, who is a lawyer? I think that's the right. Oman Penny or your lawyer, Udim Lano. I think that's more Canada, maybe yard. Constitution, the young Cassini na nenye. A bisonia the MY. Okay. Especially, baby, I mean, I have the 5 million yard 100%. Yes, sure. A social civil servant, everybody or what civil servant, Nimuno, they be our praise, Obeko. Obey a politician. Okay. And as Article 71 hold on, or pursue a print of hukum. Until there be any competent people on by a day, on by some of mine, or be a general quiet, I could see rights and privileges are yedema ya man of for so too much because
sanke nipa no wo so ne man etu ohia akade a ebe boa no ama no watimi deliver to the satisfaction
for about 30-40 years or a pension a year. 100 million. But what people call to say, so I'm MP 4 years be JS Gracia. So 4 years be JS Gracia.
They say which Nazwa.
Or 5 years, 5 terms are. I say. These are some of the things me when they say privileges are at the moment. That is why there be more too big ahead of us, you know. Because the privileges of Munyano in the space of tax, you know, I think it's too much. He never condemns say and you can say amendment, but he questions say you should be mindful of. Indeed. Because baby, I want to talk about. I'm not a constitutional student, but one thing I'm going to say, baby, I'm Crawford lose trust our constitution. It causes it's very dangerous. And see what? My opinion as a lawyer, they are preventing say you lose trust our the constitution now. You could tie a but he agrees say there are so many. There are no maybe woman. I was here to me yeah amendment, but young like young taking us slowly. Okay. And you can see I didn't prepare home. I saw the mentias here. You see MP for the crowd. You can see a more BV8. Oko Parliament. And you can see a more police protection. And you can see a more security protection. This be at memo for sorry. Near you who Jim na yes ya. A job about ABM minor. And that's M minor. That is the reason why I'm paying 3 or 4. See, I'm not careful with that. I call it for. Let's talk about 13 years. Dear, I think we need so many amendments in our constitution. Because a point for appointed civil servant, all responsibilities now could be on my opinion. That is the reason why Ghana you face a problem and you face because hereby seven say me koye party organizer bi na se me could be a masters bi and a doctorate bi dia omo ba na me ya din ko ade amenya DC bi dia me for so as me di party na ti but me was your expertise bi wo ho a no local government no tiase na so nya MPP ni onya DC ni enti no ye ba na yi na sinche. That is the reason why in Ghana we are lacking what do you call it? Expertise. And most of them now now let's look at even lawyers near the doctors. A job to follow partisan politics. All because when is report politics it is easy for him say obey make you because or crown no maba na privileges were one no man so be conform o two kwan o kuta diplomatic passport and no man be bree into me when say is way forward no it is time say ye nyina ye what do you call it
that's what amendment no who two kwan obede tedem what the travel allowance no what the risk allowance
wasa be a walk
control ba ko na wo tu no
na wasa abi wo kra wasa wo akonya so odi nipa be 20 and 5 bi dey e ka no ho nti bebre ni se travel agencies for na ti nti enya ba ya no afro me ko ba bi say yo nti say this so there are so many things I think say we need to look at it as a nation. If we want to build a nation there yam a proper way and as measurement be dey betu kwam near constitution no baby a lot of people are calling for being to say the na man panyini that Mahama call for he say article 71 you ba obehwe say e be amendment ebi ma son here but me no me no aye studio enim say eno na edu o man yi dem okay eno and they do a man them party because sky you chat the man crofobia the name of Article 71. Nobody is saying, say, we are Juma, it does Nuka say, your mouth who are it's too much. It's too much, and the sadness part of it, they say, impon commodity and impon and commodity sumo amount from Podia, can no problem. Now, so we are all constituency here. A book chip compound crano, Nebino, and Mark Hine in Suo, not again, but I don't know, Pansu any pardon wrong. Abenum. Sir, Ebia Cassie, foul no crabia. And see. This are the problem I face as a nation. Yes. Ada yinunku. Where they can be a metimu ameba. As my own pakro can also got a problem now you Kumasen cry. Because we think say a hankwan was see a developing a constitution now some idea. I don't know about things say is that time say you benya or man penny be our belly did crusade no and Crawford a question no so one of my men Kaobi. NCC for the other NCC for na minim na o man penny beso po ma baso mo ye adwuma o se dia NCC there okay any say information service department was a unit say agency was there no me I think say si ahwe na nya ye dia yengu niem fama party communicators no because o adwuma pa mo ye de bo man na there and so ni ba ko say okay I know you be Ebenezer na meche my course it said to Hona India. Accra. That's it. No, can out there, my. I say, William. I'm a near Red Moon, Juma. My wishing all the best, Grandpa. I come my yard, dear. O Quampuka. Miss Soresa, Grandpa, company. It's a Wahab, who problem campaign manager. Make a campaign team. We are communication. Captain Jabari. Yeah. Captain Jabari, me never have the year to money now. I don't know. Captain Jabari, Nano, Captain say, men can't say. Captain Semen can't Captain Semen can't say. When you nipa and you refresh him. Okay, Bibia. Na ya jijawa ne dia soa ana wumfuo so do so ahwe ni and you drew I don't ask you be boost I don't know be sita na na be boost asa mo no jira ko batla da dia na ba ma mencha party for magibrate program yi na mensancha mebra menini ye adwuma ya friend Eric Bequin okay the program that be all basis see I mean bia oni me Obrama West bia be hu bia mean nam your friend Eric Bequin you know no mean na na bob bia na boy guy papa senior brother na so unim no guy catch and say officer so watch ya na catch na aduana ba ma wie no mensancha so am constituency for say Monday no His Excellency John Dramani Mahama eba your constituency and constituency for your money effect. The numbers are a buy a better His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na it was also by more peace and job for man fans and job for anya executives Nana Kwasi Nurudin Abbas Captain Kwame Jabali Isham your friend say Chese I did you blue one fans and 12 one Muso na men ka tse so chamanu do bibiase okay so bibia jai ni dwuma dia odi ba be kan ho ma share His Excellency John Dramani Mahama e wo Marco School Park no so and Aduana it was a great thing how a party for see receive His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. The message was very on point. Okay. Chama say en country bibia say o che bibia
na ma wie no na ma sign akọ from constituency akọ chia PC a oba beje swami PC ship position na ye ni yi.
It's a peace in waiting.
PC in waiting. The PC obia person where the share no need to come. Whoever meet this guy, gentleman, you have to because of this guy, you know, I'll go to them. You probably get me share me because of the guy. You might me what I like me probably my this out. But boy now more than ever, or boy me everything. Or me me be come and did you. Or family me be a juma. It's your own intimate about my ABC.
Okay.
That's alone. That single thing. Nah, alone, no. A crap which they say, Nipan or Nipa be when you more. Say a man, Konya say, when you're there, when you leave this one conscience, so I'm NDC, Baby, a crab.
Okay.
Inti Franco Usu answer. Baby, I will be a Michel. Now, me catch her say, me bow chidom.
Okay.
Baby, I will be a
what time it is our family.
Pa, baby, will be a mess of opportunity.
Okay.
We say John Dramani, Mama, buy pieces for me. But before you change your car, you near my Abba. So, Mamma, that's how about my. One team, sir. One team, I'm one team, I'm Franco Uso and Sa was on the ground, making sure, say, in as much as a party day into Abasa and Farmer party for no so the news soon a year bar, it's a party day no call swan, a man for sign and yet Jenny didn't be known. That is the person we are talking about. At a no, indeed, Franco Uso will be no, yeah, the Yakopon, a catcher saying Yame and do a cheat. Okay, one number 2 or 2 be a home. Say Yakopon so pa. Yemwe elections no on the 13th of May. No, now His Excellency John Dramani Mahama is the flag bearer, and you on also oye PC. The man that is it. I remember because when to me and young this issue about and I'm saying and what the president said. Something I think so already president statement now it was a caution statement and not or they people who are calling for but then more calling for a total overhaul or say even Kampunkophobia no more say there should be some selection of Nubia every constitution Monokampo catch almost say for over 30 years the constitution has stand as several 8 purpose and you know they should tread cautiously. Treading cautiously, there something which should be part of constitution. Be it as it may, some part of the constitution has to be amended. Okay. Some part of the constitution, which mean we agree on certain principles. Certain or say it may amend the free constitution. Say the bear a bit me because looking at the state compare your womb and name. Nasa ocean a catcher will say your friend saying Sikaya is more amount for ex gracial and qua is taking some chunk of our revenue, sir. Same meaning we come together as one people. Beside and say, how do we nip that thing in a bag? Say the bear or mine bit free from Niamabia my quite kind because so shall develop countries these some of these laws are not there. You know, or mono say whatever is due, you will be giving you after service. But this continuous as gracia, edemacrophobia, even also be crampono. Look at it from this angle. Be the court parliament as an MP. First thing, the person will be given an ex gratia for a service rendered to or minor. Nanipano was a co abattoir as a renew. Say a court parliament as a parliamentarian. That person has collected an ex gratia for the 4-year service. And this ex gratia also no. Yamfan said there are 275 MPs no. So multiply. Yamfan say 400,000 Ghana cedis, which is even more than that too. Make hypothesis. Yeah. Yamfan say you use 400,000 Ghana cedis. say all the multiply by 275 members which means say sikana yedi mo is not a joke ni nyina so a drainy your coffers no ni nyina so ma o man no ye ho ye den e kire nti no I think say certain laws no the massa niema no the room to fester mean who say if collectively we can all agree see yen expunge samra na say yen rewrite samra in a way its effect on our economy be minimal. I think say it is in the right order.
Okay.
And secondly, the constitution has given the president powers of appointment in certain areas, which to me, honestly, as a person, who say some of these appointments, neutrality and also independence no operating. Places like the EC, places like the police service department, places like the court Supreme Court are heading. President appointee. Mimi who say if the person rises to the occasion by merit, because if the police commander is being appointed by the president, the assumption is that whatever decision be a nipano take it will be tailored favoring the nipana wedding. Okay. Or appointing no. And me we can all bear with me say if say irrespective of how independent you are, say men are appointed no matter how our constitution no amount that independence power no. Simply me appointed before company appointed no couple maybe there can be a gentleman's agreement in a separate place because some company my appointed. Obia means no. So what I say, who said there are certain institutions when they are allowed to pass through the ranks. Now so oko get it to where say unya appointment now. Police department say or more collectively or more share or more assessment ranks will be following the now or my now IGP. I think so those things must be looked at. And so your expenditures be in your constitution in a granted and only by executive powers. And those executive powers have been given by the constitution. It's all limited that appointment and I said that powers now those expenditures will also can also be curtailed and I said limited in a way. And president calling for a caution. I think some way somehow you can agree and disagree with me. One thing is me, I don't subscribe to a total overhaul. Okay. Because a certain country in Africa it tries to combat the total overhaul. And breed in the country because after the time Amuka said they were getting away with more constitution to go and like and give birth to a new one. Anarchy started breeding in the country. Okay. Who say calling for a total overhaul. Those calling for that might have their reasons, but to me their reasons are not cogent enough. It's just a merited that call. Okay. If I'm not mistaken, maybe I don't see their reasons to be that cogent enough to merit that total overhaul. And in that case, you can say total overhaul. Even there is no perfect system. What's my point now? Say, and in so we are here accounting, and as economists, the BS, so there. You cannot always give yourself 100% success rate. Sometimes you leave some margin of error. Okay. Say, my 5% margin of error. So in case say, I tried attaining 90, 100%, but 95, 95, and I think very well. So I have to make a point. The meaning said most of them call it for some section. And also, I cannot recollect all the near amount of air points because last week or two, now me something like that when he was calling, said sometimes some powers given to the state to prosecute, state, and expedite actions on it. Yeah. And because say an American, if appointment to the security services are based on political line. Sometimes one thing you might not get fair judgment and I say assessment of the whole story. Only your and after Professor Boateng the car said the dust has settled into about the camp what triggered the removal. And even went on to say there are people in the Flagstaff House who are currently engaging in Galamsey. As a serious nation, what the IGP should have been interested in as at that very particular moment video number out and said that man must be invited. You see the point? Because all developed countries are the very moment you make such pronouncement, you'll be invited to assist investigation. You are not a suspect, but one out kind. So you are the first point of call. Say nyawa. We can get to the bottom of okay. And one of your sister station and almost excursion in one of our villages. No cyanide are saying soon. Omusan soon be no more they compare the the son or Accra. Omutum say Accra's one was far better than the world class. Meanwhile, we need grass because we don't have any source of drinking water. The only say after some of no say no. So no baba bi na say ni takakra. Obi answer no na kwa konom. Bo say ese mo yare. What's the point now? Meanwhile, somebody is taking good from that place. Or not far on no more into. No attack of no yariamo. Into me, I think that certain and right in our constitution. Okay. We look at and get it to the promised land. And yes, our partner say you want to leave everything the way it is. Just to
say do and watching and can wire Japan went to one and your boy from Catron name like bad ever to watch.
He wants what's the wedding is it? Oh, you butankasa. Walk Messi. Lufat na wajima where you? Hey, malaria drew Lufat. To my wedding where your hospital sister. Where I imagine that few hours to my wedding. No Mrs. Semo whom I shepe. Linketa was Mikunia. My husband is sick. Hey, Jamo Tornado. Never no what's the water tested positive for malaria? No, never to one for ambulance no one. Up ambulance. It's not a bicycle phone. Hey, no, nothing from Kakabo. No, kick. Many wedding gonna me make up Nina. Sometimes nearest pharmacy. So one meji Lufat. Entrance pharmaceuticals for one malaria druna. Inyo. No ye now. One chair. Mukuno china nenadi. A brand pa. No kuniso. No pona waka that you make kiss the bride. If you want to show day. No donna. Man ne donna.
Jija wo malaria and kawon to them. Lufat. Malaria drop test for malaria before treatment. FDA ahwehwesa edwadie nkratoyi ajatum se eye.
Abi national lande afeya beja cash na bedwa afei na madwuma no be koso ankasa bema na wo inflation achini fa botom se potos no anyway ni age saa no ade wo dilo to bia na masa choko ya wo hia sia ne Abi national unia abi dien ani eye Abi national sikakrabia foforo a wode oboso obia hwe wo mo won hyehyeye papa ebeso wo ha nyina no na botre wo boni ahohare a wode ye adwuma no masa wani beji keke enti for me Abi national for you omo we adum kejeti ha ya woni ajakum dan na di ntwani mu chale na odi mrika kwa he only me how do you know my problem Entiko Abi National Krabata bi e ben wonne. Na hunu sika krabia mu sompa. Se wo nsembise bi a French sia. E wo 0322 002 922. Abi National. Wasum GSafo a wo sika kra mu.
Eyo wadi yayo. Mimu di obo. Ne be cool. Enku say. Nyemi kunu nka no pe me shawo damage bi papa. Kofo be si ha. Manu bi enkode nyina nu bi. Amye we nyina ko woda so bo wa so di nti. Was it the Tobinco Pharmaceuticals cough syrup power dia bay. Enti wanti. Ya wo cough baby enkodan to fewa ebro wo mo ebra wo bo wa na cough child. Me so die enkodan enu no ebro wo mo bo hyeso wo mu a esie etu asie kra. Na cough adult die enkanifo die no na cough family. We padudu to akoto Tobinco Pharmaceuticals. So one cough nansa na wo ho antowo a. Ko hu doctor. Cough syrup. Sadia me ni ho dance ye die. Masum
because I didn't quite see him. I just say, yeah.
Anti-pharmacist, me fear for United Power. Nanson, ye wom kakran say, me yiri tipa ye no. Kata, ni hwini nyina asisi. Me ba no so na mre, wa ye say boho. Na me die. As me need to agu fam. E dia soro bin bia be ja me so a. E dwa me ga na wonhwe. Me fie die ho odi no. Na me yiri nso fie die e ye dwetwam. Nti we say emfiri fie a. Wo die emfiri ba bia de a. Na ni aduro bai.
David ora tipa ye de wo badwuma mu se pharmacist no. Me hu bia. Enti to wase. O wife tipa ye na ase kata ka ho. Good. Eno obehia. Entramodi. Ana wo so baneti pa ye nso amana ye mbre. Okay. Eno obehia entramol ankasa. Ana wo de nso wo se edwa ga. All right, that is tension, headache or migraine. Okay. Wo obehia entramol plus. Wo de je na no fiefo nom no se de matrama wo no pepepe.
Entramol D ni entramol plus no enyagro etu tipa ya si de kude nji ze ubetina ho na etia pa wo de a ene wa wasa
FBI hwɛ sɛ adwadie nkratu agya tum sɛ yɛ
aya jenkwa 101.9 gasa fidie so Beka see streaming live in Facebook page, you know, Ajenkwa FM Kumasi 101.9, YouTube Ajenkwa FM live. Yasan aba epio. Ame komi rawa habo. Nansa sita. Nansa na anu yesi GM. The security omuburo.
So how do you say be anti me moment. And unim say baby a party no. Ya dura ya adwuma party no. It will be very difficult for someone to think upon say obabusita. What happened? And they say, you say JM men and me MC of the program.
Yeah.
And as custom demands, whenever you are MCing a program, I say bosses for Bahwa, the best thing to do is to give up the hand over the mic.
Yeah.
Take it over because that is what is going on across the length and breadth of this country. So when they keep me the microphone on my boss. I'm a camel and I'm in no air Juman with boom. So after say we program na GMO kono. My constituency chairman Eddie Ninchemu. So me so no one chemu say na we are trying to see him off. Yakona ni security guard back e pia me say me free nchen or me free ho. And you know me very well. Say me media I won't tolerate that kind of excuse my language, low life, you know. Then I also turned back and pushed him. I'm catching and say the kind of work I am a GM. Onyebi. And for the records, me I'm a delegate. And every day, 5 days in a week, I use my own fuel to go to radio stations and defend the party and defend GM. So no BBI. GM so me after the altercation I wanted to walk out and my constituency chairman catch GM said that's my communication officer and GM said yes then GM no I told inside there a friend me catch me say I came and greeted him And I catch me say I should take things cool, and I'm so thank you, say, and I say I should get in touch. That is what happened. So it's not a matter of say,
okay.
No, it's not everything. It's not about money. Sometimes there is one thing I've realized in this life, and I say, if you know you are doing the right thing, stand on your grounds.
Okay.
But only say, oh yeah, at the bonnier, and you find because. You know me very well. Every Wednesday, this team, you started this work for the past 2 years now.
Yeah.
Nobody has given anybody something to come and sit here and defend the party, our various political parties. But you are doing it.
Yeah.
Not here alone. Mondays I go, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursday, Friday.
Now,
even Saturdays, some radio stations are willing. Say, me say Friday, Saturdays there. I'll sit in the
now
house
security officer.
Now security officer, I'll call you vote.
Senta say to anyone to the caro. After I have Mamma Conwana, Blena, can you check a cracker? Mira, you're a Hannah Idrisi. I can say, woman, I see with your fee. What you say, and my ship your form, what, and my ship your human cry. We one can this, and my ship and one can PP. Was this a debate to be perfume no more? 80 home comma. But I see with any being over so like a sa. Fat funding researcher wo jaso e dia kasa eno ani ye na one district one factory ba yi won tin sem da se bidwani bi kasa wo ho no akasa bi a ba yi Asante region ye wo bi a edu na wa ha na edu no a e wa Asante region no enipa aduonu ene ye mu adwuma ye wo bi wo northern region okwa nipa sei e chese
Ediana na minua sita kasa. I don't know whether if I don't understand him well. Also president kasa about I say almost say the president Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo has called for the exercise of caution on the whole or limited on the wholesale or limited amendment of the most successful and lasting constitution in the history of these of the country, the 1992 constitution. He said, without prejudice, the outcome of the ongoing national debate, those calling for amendment should bear in mind that the 1992 constitution had provided the bedrock for the long-lasting, uninterrupted, stable period of free governance. In other words, turbulent history of the country.
Okay.
Now, I just said I think now I say he was talking about, but in this regard, so that is why I'm say
two folds. Yeah.
Or more calling for wholesale.
Yeah.
Or more calling for
some partial,
which I said I belong to partial.
Yeah.
Or more say surgery.
Yeah.
And I say renovation. I agree with those, but all in all, the president cautioned. They say ye wholesale, say ye retail. We should tread caution.
Senna, sita suka say. The most important in every human endeavor, I was say we
So it means the whole show is about you're very careful.
Yeah.
But that notwithstanding, you also you have a reservation. And this is the group of surgery I may belong to, and I still stand by it.
Yeah. Okay.
Now, Ediana, to be quite honest, so share the Parliament of Ghana when former senior minister J.H. Mensah was the minority leader in Parliament.
Yes.
Let's say, if you listen to the crop of members of Parliament in those days, when the Akufo-Addos were all members of Parliament. And if you listen to the argument of members of Parliament, you could see, say, one more. In fact, those days, both the NDC and the MPP, that's your own debate on the floor of Parliament. Pipa. What do you say? Yes. Say yes. So can come so be a ball. Samba football.
Telepathy
was accurate. Brofi ye be count with the amount 40 yes. What am I say? And in those days, this year, no, and town no so. Now say the movie near active parliament. Huh? Jack Muntaka. Any killer events, Satema MPD.
Carlos
Ahinkra. Now, omona movies near active. Now, sa a Greater Accra Regional Minister. Why? That tall man, giant, no. Was he not the person I know? You know, pianist. I say, that movie near camera. It was nice. I feel near. But the writer and then the director of the movie, was superb. What am I saying? This is how the Parliament of Ghana has been reduced to today. Much as I disagree with Aruna Idrisu, but I cannot take it away from him that he is an institution.
No, Samuel.
Absolutely. In Parliament of Ghana today, from the minority side, in terms of maturity, accuracy, arguing, humor in argument, not propaganda, no.
Okay.
Intellectually accurate. Even though